Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through our latest feature, custom task lists. This feature offers enhanced control and flexibility over your task management process. With custom task lists, you're no longer restricted to a single default list. You can create, manage, and curate your own lists of tasks. Additionally, you can mark specific tasks as favorites for quick access. To access this feature, navigate to the organization settings. By default, you'll find a default task list. To create a new list, simply click the plus icon and enter the list name, such as Product Launch Marketing Campaign. Next, add individual tasks to the list by typing them in and clicking the tick icon. Be mindful of duplicates, as the system will prompt you to avoid them. Once your list is curated, click Create Task List, and it will be saved. You can create up to 10 task lists, and the number of tasks in each list will be displayed. Furthermore, when creating a lead, you can now select the task list from a drop-down menu. And that wraps up this video.